Okay, so guys, we're gonna watch Friends episode and answer those three questions. Sería bueno que ustedes apunten estas tres preguntas en su mascota y así puedan ir buscando la respuesta de estas tres preguntas mientras ven el video de Friends. Me avisan cuando tengan la pregunta, las tres preguntas. Where are they going? Who is going to this trip? And why are they going to this trip? Entonces, where, who, and why. Do you have the questions, guys? ¿Ya tienen las preguntas?
Yes.
Okay. ¿Y los demás?
Casi.
Yes, I'm ready.
Phoenix.
Okay. So listen carefully, escuchen y vamos a ver si consiguen la respuesta. This is to practice talking about future, practicar hablar de planes futuros.
Okay, if you need the vacuum, it's in my closet on the left-hand side. The garbage bags are next to the refrigerator.
Okay, but Rachel's gonna be here too. Can't I just ask her this stuff?
Yeah, okay. Give that a try.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah, cheerio.
London, baby.
Okay, because that's not going to get annoying.
London, baby.
You know what? I was wrong.
Well, we're all here. I guess we should get going. So, we're off.
Have fun.
Thanks.
Oh,
I can't believe you're not going to be there.
I know.
So, come. Why don't you come?
What?
To London. Come to London, please. It would mean so much to me.
Yeah, but I gotta work. I'm sorry.
Oh, why can't you take a couple of days off?
Because I can't, Ross. I told you. No, I can't.
This is my wedding.
All right, you know what? Now we really are late. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Fine, you'll watch it on video when we get back.
Let's go.
Bye, Phoebe.
Bye, Phoebe.
Goodbye. Bye.
London, baby!
Okay, so let's see. Answer the first three questions. Where are they going?
London.
London.
Full sentence, oración completa. They are
London.
going to London.
very good. Who is going to this trip? Who?
I don't know.
You don't know?
¿Qué significa trip?
Trip, viaje.
Viaje.
Who is going to this trip? ¿Quién va al viaje? Why are they going to this trip? Why are they going to this trip?
For Wendy.
Yes, puede ser.
For a wedding.
Yes.
For a wedding, yes. Very good. Una boda, a wedding. But who is going? ¿Quiénes van? Who are going? Okay, so let's go back and see. Vamos a ver de nuevo, a ver si ven quiénes que van.
Sí. Bien.
Okay, if you need the vacuum, it's in my closet on the left-hand side. The garbage bags are next to the refrigerator.
Okay, but Rachel's gonna be here too. Can't I just ask her this stuff?
Yeah, okay. Give that a try.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah, cheerio. London, baby.
Okay, because that's not going to get annoying.
London, baby.
You know what? I was wrong.
Well, we're all here. I guess we should get going. So, we're off.
Have fun.
Thanks.
Oh,
I can't believe you're not going to be there.
I know.
So, come. Why don't you come?
What?
To London. Come to London, please. It would mean so much to me.
Yeah, well, I gotta work. I'm sorry.
Oh, why can't you take a couple of days off?
Because I can't, Ross. I told you. No, I can't.
This is my wedding.
All right, you know what? Now we really are late. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Fine, you'll watch it on video when we get back.
Let's go.
Bye, Phoebe.
Bye, Phoebe.
Bye!
Okay, so probably you don't know their names, but how many people are going then? Si no conocen la serie, no saben los nombres, pero ¿cuántas personas van? How many people? How many people?
Bueno, por lo que yo vi es que solamente dice una sola persona que es que da la información que va.
Vamos a ver, vamos a ver. Las chicas prestan atención a los detalles. How many people are going? ¿Cuántos van? Okay, let's count them together.
Fine.
5. Very close. Bien cerca. Let's see.
It's in my closet on the left-hand side. The garbage bags are next to the refrigerator.
Okay. This person, she's Rachel. She's going. This is one. Primera persona que va. ¿Por qué sabemos que ella va? Porque ella está dándole instrucciones a la embarazada de cómo cuidar su casa, qué hacer. Entonces ya por eso, por lo que le está diciendo, sabemos que la embarazada se queda y ella se va. Primera pista. Una persona ya contamos.
Okay, but Rachel's gonna be here too. Can't I just?
Y ella acaba de decir ahí, Rachel is going to be here too. Raquel también va a estar aquí conmigo. Ella puede hacerlo por mí. Ya sabemos que hay 2 personas de las que no están, que se quedan, que se les resta al grupo.
Just ask her this stuff?
Yeah, okay. Give that a try.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah, cheerio. London.
Ok, estos chicos están celebrando que se van para London. Ya sabemos que aquí hay 3 chicos que van, más la chica que está dando órdenes de cómo cuidar su casa. ¿Cuántos van?
4.
Ahí van 4. ¿Y el total del grupo son?
6, pero van
6.
4.
London, baby.
Okay, because that's not going to get annoying.
London, baby.
Ya no es necesario seguir viendo porque si son 6 en total y ya sabemos que 4 van y 2 se quedan. Ok, entonces es prestar atención a los detallitos. Vamos a ver las demás preguntas ahora. Esto es algo que usted puede hacer como hobby, su tiempo libre, para aprender inglés. Esto es muy, muy efectivo. Okay, 4 and 5. Who is not going to the trip? Why are they not going? Dos preguntas que deben tener presente. Who is not going to the trip? ¿Quién no va al viaje? Why are they not going? ¿Por qué ellos no van?
So what do you want for lunch?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay.
I guess we have to eat.
Yeah, I do. What's the matter?
Just bummed the way I left things with Ross. Wish I didn't lie to him about having to work. He seems so mad at me.
Yeah, don't be so hard on yourself. Someone I was still in love with was getting married.
Still in love with?
Yeah.
I'm not in love with Ross.
Oh. No. Good. Yeah, me neither.
Phoebe, I'm not going to Ross's wedding because he's my ex-boyfriend, and that would be really uncomfortable. Not because I'm still in love with him. I mean, hey, I like Ross as much as the next guy. Clearly I have feelings for him, but feelings don't mean love. I still have loving feelings for Ross, Yeah. But I have continuing feelings of love, but that doesn't mean that I'm still in love with him, I have sexual feelings for him, but I do love him. Oh my God. Why didn't you tell me?
We thought you knew.
We?
Yeah, we all know. We talk about it all the time.
You all know? Does Ross know?
Oh, no. Ross doesn't know anything.
Oh, I cannot believe you didn't tell me.
Because we thought you knew. It's so obvious. God, it would be like, telling Monica, hey, you like things clean.
Okay, so who are not going to the trip? Vamos a ver. Who are not going? ¿Quiénes no van?
La embarazada no va. Y la que la acompaña, Raquel.
Rachel, Raquel.
Rachel.
Yes, so they're not going. And why is Rachel not going?
¿Por qué no van?
Yes.
Bueno, Merlin.
Okay.
Por algo de trabajo, dice
De
ella.
rosas, como de rosas, que ella está haciendo unas rosas.
Was that the real reason? Esa fue la razón, la verdad, la razón real.
The truth is that Rachel is the is the wedding of the ex-boyfriend.
Okay. So look, she is still in love with him. Still in love. And she doesn't want to go and see him get married. Still in love, okay? Sigue enamorada de Ross.
Okay.
Ella era su exnovia y no quiere verlo casarse con otra persona. Still in love, sigue enamorada. Por eso
Bueno,
esa es la razón.
Yo no había ido tampoco.
Ah, mira. ¿Verdad? Es difícil ver eso. Entonces, esa es la razón real. She's still in love. Sigue enamorada. All right? So let's go to the next one. Okay. Question 6 and 7. Who is going to London now? Why is she going? Okay, two questions ahora. ¿Quién va a London ahora? ¿Por qué va? ¿Y por qué va?
Yeah?
Do you remember where the duck food is?
Yeah, it's in the guy's apartment under the sink. Why?
Because I'm going to London.
What? What do you mean you're going to London?
Yeah, I have to tell Ross that I love him. Now, honey, you take care and you don't have those babies till I get back.
Rachel, you can't go. Ross loves Emily.
Yeah, I know he does. But I have to tell him how I feel. He deserves to have all of the information, and then he can make an informed decision.
Why you're going? You're going because you hope he's gonna say, yeah, I love you too, Rach. Forget about that British chippy.
Do you think he will?
No, because he's in love with the British chippy. But, Rachel, if you go, you're just gonna mess with his head and ruin his wedding. You know, it's too late. You missed your chance. I'm sorry. I know this must be really hard. It's over.
You know what? No, it's not over until someone says I do.
I do! I do! I do! I do! Oh. Yeah, like I can really chase you. I'm carrying a litter.
Okay, who is going to London now?
Ahora se fue Raquel también.
Rachel.
Rachel is going to London. Why? 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 ¿Por qué? Why? Why is she going? ¿Para qué se va a London ahora? A gastar pasaje.
Para que no se case el chico.
¿Y qué ella va a hacer para eso? ¿Qué dice el subtítulo, señores?
Decirle que te enamorado de él.
So she, in English, she's going to tell.
Rostak, I love him.
I
I love him.
I love him.
He loves
Entonces, aquí yo usaría, ¿qué usted usaría? She's going to tell, she will tell, or
She will
she's telling. She will tell.
Yes.
Okay. Everybody agrees? ¿Todos están de acuerdo? She will tell. Tienen que ponerse decirme qué opinan. She will, she's going to tell, she's telling. ¿Cuál usted usaría? Ya me dijeron una, me dijo she will tell. Y ustedes, los demás, ¿qué opinan? No se me pueden quedar callados. Deme una opinión.
She's going to tell.
She going.
No, she will.
She will, okay. Le hago la pregunta. ¿Tiene ella las maletas listas?
Yes, she go.
No.
¿Se va para el aeropuerto ya?
Sí.
Yes.
Entonces, ¿cuál es el futuro ya definido?
She go.
Going to.
Exacto, ya se va ese mismo día para el aeropuerto, está definido, ya tiene que tener su ticket comprado, todo. Ahora, si fuera con el will, quiere decir que eso no está todavía planificado. Si fuera con el will, no está planificado, ella sabe que lo va a hacer, pero todavía.
Ok, yo lo decía porque ella lo decidió después en el momento, pero viéndola desde ese punto de vista, tiene razón.
Exacto, sí. Cuando ya algo está definido, siempre es bueno usar el going to. Very good. ¿Y qué ustedes creen que sucederá? El ella irse allá y decirle a su ex que sigue enamorada de él, para que no se case? ¿Qué ustedes creen que pasará?
Bueno,
Me gustaría saber la opinión de él para...
nos
Por-
gustaría verlo. Luke.
Ah, ok. Pues mire, eso es un incentivo para que vea la serie. Está toda la serie gratuita en el internet. La pueden buscar. Se llama Friends. Amigos. Es una serie es una de las series que ha pasado al récord Guinness por la serie con mayor tiempo en el aire. Ha sido muy, muy exitosa. Está hasta en chino esa serie.
Wow.
Sí. All right, so let's go to the next one. Okay, that one we finished. Entonces, señores, yo le doy ese tip. Esto es algo que ustedes pueden ir haciendo, convirtiéndolo parte de lo que ustedes hacen en su tiempo libre y así para aprender inglés. Es muy efectivo. Ustedes van a ir aprendiendo, agudizando el oído, aprendiendo vocabulario. Lo hacen a sí mismos, lo pausan, lo ven con subtítulos y van a ir aprendiendo. ¿Ok? Eso es un método muy efectivo. Puede ser con esta serie, que es muy buena, o con cualquier otra serie. All right. So here we have another one. Okay, so let's pay attention to this now.
Start by watching some clips and answering some questions.
Sheldon, I'm working. I can't take you to the dentist. Also, and I can't stress this enough, I don't want to take you to the dentist.
Can't help a friend out in a time of need, huh? See where your therapist was coming from.
Why doesn't he want to take Sheldon to the dentist?
Okay. Why doesn't he want to take Sheldon to the dentist? Según lo que escucharon. Anybody? ¿Necesitan escuchar de nuevo?
Repeat the video, please.
Okay, repeat.
I can't take you to the dentist. Also, and I can't stress this enough, I don't want to take you to the dentist.
Can't help a friend out in a time of need, huh? See where your therapist was coming from.
Why doesn't he want to take Sheldon to the dentist?
Why? He doesn't want to take Sheldon to the dentist. He doesn't. Why?
Because he is working.
He's working, and one more reason. Una razón más. He doesn't.
He's stressed.
He's terapista.
No, not really. Míralo ahí, escrito.
Oh, so I don't want to take.
I don't want to take you. I don't want to take you. Él no quiere llevarlo. He doesn't want to. Esa es la razón. He doesn't want to. Primero, he's working. And second, he doesn't want to. Él no quiere. Y aquí, stress no significa el stress del diario vivir. Significa enfatizar. I can't stress this enough. ¿Eso qué quiere decir? No puedo enfatizarlo más. ¿Ok? Eso es una forma de enfatizar lo que tú quieres decir. No quiero llevarte, no quiero hacerlo. I don't want to do it. ¿Ok?
Can't help a friend out in a time of need, huh? See where your therapist was coming from.
Why doesn't he want to take Sheldon to the dentist? He's cleaning the floor, he's working, he's looking for something.
Okay. De las tres ¿Cuál pega más? What is the answer? ¿Cuál es la respuesta?
Letter B.
B.
B is working.
Sheldon, I'm working. I can't take you to the dentist.
What tense is this?
Very good.
Present continuous, present simple.
Very good. What tense is it?
Present continuous.
Present
Continuo.
continuo.
Present continuo.
What does this sentence communicate with the present continuous? An action at the present moment? It criticizes or complains about something? A temporary action.
A.
A and the rest?
Letter A.
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 Okay.
If you chose this option, you're right. Did you know we can also use the present continuous to express subtle meanings like these two? We'll explain those other details in just a little bit. Let's now watch another short clip.
Okay, let's discuss Rachel's birthday. I say we throw a surprise party this weekend.
Whoa, but her birthday's not for like another month.
Okay, but if we throw her a party on her birthday, then it's not a surprise.
It's a great idea. Yeah, we can have a dinner party and just invite our close friends.
What do you think she says here?
What's missing? ¿Qué faltaría ahí? Vamos a ver. ¿Qué usted cree? Eso lo dijo ella en el video. Any thoughts? ¿Qué podría ir en ese blanco? No idea. Okay.
Am thinking, present continuous. Think, present simple.
Vamos a ver ahora. ¿Cuál de los dos elegiría?
A.
Letter B.
I think.
A. A.
Okay, but if we throw her a party on her birthday, then it's not a surprise.
I think that's a great idea.
Okay. Míralo ahí. I think that's a great idea.
Your close friends.
Very good.
Why is think here in the present simple? It's a regular verb, it's a stative verb, it's a transitive verb.
Okay. Entonces, ¿por qué se usa ahí think en presente simple y no thinking? ¿Qué razón usted elegiría? A, B o C?
Letter B.
Letter B and the rest, los demás.
B.
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 Okay. B, B, B.
Sí. No, A, teacher.
A. Okay.
If you didn't know some of the answers in these quizzes, don't worry, because in this lesson, we'll explain.
So, stative verb. Eso es un verbo, lo que llaman stative o estático, que no se le agrega ing. Igual que el verbo anterior que le estábamos mencionando. Que need. Correct.
Everything you need to know about the present tenses. This lesson is divided in the following way: present simple, present continuous, stative verbs, special uses of the verb to be, quiz, test everything you've learned. Let's start with the present simple and take a look at when we use it. The first use is to say when things happen if they take place regularly, or habits that you have. Example, our class finishes at 5. So when you describe your routine or what someone does regularly, you use this tense. We often use adverbs of frequency, like usually, sometimes, often, always, never, as well as phrases like every day, or week, month, etc. On Fridays, 3 times a week, etc.
Jim eats the same ham and cheese sandwich every day for lunch.
Now, put on your hard hat and safety vest.
Oh, fun. I get to spend another night in front of our apartment dressed like one of the village people.
You make that joke every 3 months. I still don't get it.
This brings us to another use, to talk about situations that are generally or always true. For something that's generally true, you could say, it's always windy in Chicago, or people in this town are nice. This is also the tense we use to refer to universal truths. For example, we say that the sun rises in the west. It would be strange to say this in the present continuous. The sun is rising in the west. If we said that, we would be suggesting that's a temporary action. But we know that's impossible.
How come math is easy for Sheldon and hard for me?
I don't know, honey, but you have your own gifts.
Like what?
Well, like... You have very pretty hair.
True.
In either of these two uses of the present simple, meaning can change completely if you decide to use the present continuous. Let's look at this sentence. I work from Monday to Friday, but this month I'm working Saturdays too because it's high season. In this part, you talk about a regular action, but then here with the present continuous, you mean that this is a temporary action. You could also say, I like comedy shows, but now I'm watching American Horror Story. This is always true, and this is true only for now, temporarily. Here's an example clip. She says she plays the guitar, always true, present simple, but then she expresses something that she's doing temporarily, present continuous. Watch.
I play a little guitar myself.
Really?
Uh-huh.
That's great.
Yeah.
What kind of music do you play?
Well, like acoustic, folksy stuff, you know, but right now I'm working on a couple of Iron Maiden covers.
Now, having reviewed these two general aspects of the simple present, something worth pointing out is the following. These grammar principles are at the base of your knowledge of English. A native English speaker will use this particular grammar point together with many others, and then add advanced vocabulary and pronunciation features that make native speech a dynamic collection of words, sentences, and meaning. So, it's important to have a firm understanding of the most basic stuff to then be able to figure out all the rest. We also use the present simple to describe the plots of books and films. Example. In the movie Avatar, a soldier travels to another world where he gets into the body of a blue creature. Now we can move on to learn more about the present continuous. We use the present continuous to talk about actions taking place right now. Example, I'm buying some groceries at the supermarket right now.
I'm making tea. Would you like a cup?
Hey, Skylar. I'm, cooking dinner. Pot roast.
We can compare this with the first use of the present simple. With the present simple, we talk about actions or situations that always happen or are permanent.
I love it. I love this car.
But with the present continuous, we mention an action that's happening right now.
What are you doing?
Just, moving something upstairs.
We also use this tense to suggest that an action is temporary, often with words like now, at the moment, just, etc. Example, I'm working from home this week. This suggests you usually work from somewhere else, but this week in particular, you're working from home. For an action around the time of speaking, which has begun, but it's not finished. For example, if you say this, I'm studying for an exam. Depending on the context, you could mean that you're studying at that precise moment, or that that's an action you are doing for the duration of that week or another period of time. I'm reading the second Game of Thrones.
If I don't want to make a video like this of myself, I can just make a really cute
book.
What can I get for you today? Chemistry, quantum mechanics, astronomy?
No, nothing fun today. I need to learn how to make a friend.
Oh, honey. You having a hard time adjusting to high school?
I'm having a hard time adjusting to Earth.
Yeah, you and me both.
This woman's living my life. What? She's living my life and she's doing it better than me.
For changing or developing situations. Example, fortunately, the weather is getting better.
This company is getting younger, faster, more efficient.
Oh, can you believe it, Claire? Our little girl's growing up.
When we use this sense with always, we often mean that we're annoyed at someone or something, or that we want to criticize or complain about something. Example, you're always eating my food.
It was my sandwich.
Note that you can say this in the present simple, you always eat my food, which, depending on your tone, could also imply that you're angry. But if you say it in the present continuous, you'll sound more emphatic.
Come on, don't leave, just try it.
No, we're always doing what you guys want. Just once it'd be nice if you did something we wanted.
Jay's always telling me to write this down. I don't always catch everything he says. Something, something, firm handshake.
Hey, real quick, do you want to master native pronunciation, vocabulary, and even grammar? Well, the most fun class. So I want vocabulary and really speak with every single learning masterclass of science fiction books. But then saying, I'm loving science fiction movies sounds a bit weird. Stative verbs are verbs that are nearly always used in the simple rather than the continuous tense. With these verbs, the rules are just as interesting as the exceptions. We'll talk about them in just a moment. We have state verbs of thought. These include verbs such as know, mean, suppose, think. For example, we say, I know the words of this song. Saying I'm knowing in this case would not make sense.
You know, ever since I ran out on Barry at the wedding, I have wondered whether I made the right choice. Ugh, and now I know.
You have a robust sense of self and are well suited to leadership positions. Characteristics, strength, determination, tenacity.
Yes, I suppose that's accurate.
The verb think can be used in both ways. We use the present simple when we mean believe.
I think I'm gonna do it.
Great.
When we use the continuous form, we describe what someone is doing.
He's not thinking about you.
No.
I'm thinking about you.
Yeah.
The verb mean is also interesting. In questions, we say,
I told my mom I would do something with her.
Well, what do you mean? The game's about to start.
I'm sorry.
Then, as a phrase to explain yourself,
This is pretty fun, right? I mean, we're actually bonding.
we always use the present simple. In some other cases, we say meaning.
I've been meaning to thank you, by the way. You didn't lose a single customer in the merger, and you still managed to trim the budget? That is nice work.
Another type of state verbs are those that describe feelings. Some of these are the following.
Look, what do you want me to say?
I want you to say that you like her.
I can't. It's like this chemical thing, you know? Every time she starts laughing, I just want to pull my arm off just so I have something to throw at her.
Man, I wish we looked as cool dancing in clubs as we do right now.
Don't worry, this is exactly how you look when you're dancing in clubs.
Oh, pardon-moi. I prefer the Champagne Dijon to the standard Jello.
Love is often the exception to the rule because, in a colloquial way, you can say you're loving something to express that you find something enjoyable. Natives use this quite often to talk about something that they are obsessed about right now.
Alex is your employee. If she's doing something that's making Leonard uncomfortable, you should talk to her.
Oh, no, he's not uncomfortable at all. No, he's loving it. Yeah, he's strutting around like he's 5'6".
What, he's loving it? Sheldon, you need to talk to Alex right away.
The next type is senses. These are the verbs smell, taste, hear, see. Example, this food tastes great. We also often use see or hear to show that we understand someone's point, but we might not agree with it. For this, we use these phrases. I hear what you're saying, but... I can see where you're coming from, but...
You're a terrible, terrible waitress. Really, really awful.
Okay, I hear what you're saying. I'm with you. But I'm trying really hard, and I think I'm doing better. I really do.
Now, which of these two options do you think is the correct one? I can't see anything. I don't see anything.